This course is the foundations of understanding the future of your business.
In recent years and months, we've seen an incredible proliferation of the number of data protection frameworks worldwide. This course introduces students to the key concepts necessary to understand the regulation of data processing in a digital era.
This course is designed to enable you to understand why the law around data gathering and data processing and data profiling are the way they are. It's about understanding how data is collected, regulated and controlled, which is going to be the lifeblood of your future business.
The LSE Department of Law is well suited to provide this type of course because we have a long history of teaching in the area of information technology law and an even longer tradition of considering how the law relates to significant issues of public policy, like data-driven decision-making. Join us for this 6-week online certificate course from the London School of Economics and Political Science.